Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, why does this outfit make me look older than I feel? The truth is, it's not your age. It's subtle style mistakes that can add years without you realizing it. The good news? A few simple fixes can instantly make you look more vibrant, youthful, and confident. In this video, I'm revealing key 7 common style mistakes women over 40 make, and exactly how to fix them so you can look as fabulous as you feel. And mistake number 5, that one changes everything about how you approach getting dressed. Let's dive in. Mistake 1. Playing it too safe with colour. Here's the biggest mistake I see all the time. Women over 40 hiding behind beige, grey and black like they're some sort of safety net. The problem? When your entire wardrobe is neutral, you're not looking chic, you're disappearing. Colour is energy. It reflects light back to your face and brings life to your whole presence. Without it, your outfit and your confidence fall flat. Here's the fix. Start small. Build your outfit around your neutral base, say tailored black trousers or a navy blazer, and then add just one pop of a vibrant shade. Jewel tones like emerald or sapphire look stunning on deeper complexions, while coral, turquoise, and soft pink flatter lighter skin tones. Think about it like this. The same cream sweater with beige pants makes you fade into the background. Add a rich coral scarf or an emerald blouse. Suddenly, your face lights up, your energy shifts, and you look instantly younger and more vibrant. Mistake 2. Hiding your body in oversized clothes. Here's a mistake so many women over 40 make, thinking that loose, baggy clothes are age-appropriate or more flattering. The truth? When you drown your body in oversized pieces, you don't look slimmer. You look older, heavier, and less polished. Fit, not size, is what creates elegance. When your clothes skim your shape instead of swallowing it, everything about your look becomes more youthful and intentional. Here's the fix. Choose pieces that follow your natural lines without clinging. A structured blazer that nips in slightly at the waist. Straight-leg trousers that elongate instead of ballooning out. Tops that give you shape without feeling tight. And if something doesn't fit perfectly off the rack, tailoring is your secret weapon. Sleeves that hit at the right spot, hems tailored to your height, and waistlines sitting exactly where they should. These tiny adjustments make a world of difference. Think about it this way. The same oversized cardigan can make you look like you're hiding, but swap it for a well-fitted blazer, and suddenly you look taller, slimmer, and effortlessly chic. Sagtuam. Mistake 3. Wearing chunky, orthopedic-looking shoes. Let's be real, comfort matters after 40. But too many women think comfort automatically means clunky, heavy shoes. Those thick soles, boxy designs, and orthopedic styles may feel practical, but visually they drag your whole look down and make you appear older than you are. Here's the truth. Comfort and elegance can absolutely coexist. The secret is in choosing sleek, supportive shoes that elongate rather than shorten your frame. Go for soft leather flats with arch support, low-heeled ankle boots with cushioned soles, or premium sneakers with clean, minimalist lines. Think nude pumps that extend your legs, pointed toe flats that add instant length, or polished ankle boots that give you both stability and style. Here's the golden rule. Your shoes should look intentional, not medical. When your footwear looks modern and elegant, your entire outfit is lifted, while your feet still stay comfortable all day. Chakri. Mistake 4. Carrying oversized structured handbags. Here's something I see all the time. Women reaching for the biggest, most practical handbag they can find. Sure, it feels functional, but here's the problem. Those enormous, rigid totes overwhelm your frame and instantly date your entire look. Instead of making you look chic, they make you look like you're stuck in 1985. Italian and French women know the secret. Scale matters. The bag should never wear you. You should wear the bag. Choose medium-sized handbags in soft quality leather that hold their shape without looking boxy. Look for straps that rest comfortably at your side and lengths that hit around your waist or hip. These proportions flatter your body instead of fighting it. Stick to timeless shades like camel, black, navy, or cognac for everyday elegance, and add just one bold statement bag in a jewel tone for fun. The result? A modern, polished look where your handbag complements your outfit rather than dominating it. Mistake 5. Choosing fabrics that scream mature. Here's a silent style killer that most women don't even realize. Outdated fabrics. You can have the best cut, the right colors, and even great accessories, but if the fabric looks cheap, shiny, or heavy, the entire outfit instantly feels older. Think about it. Polyester blouses with that artificial shine. Jersey knits that cling in all the wrong places, or stiff tweeds that add bulk instead of elegance. They're not doing you any favors. These fabrics scream trying to dress age appropriately instead of saying, "I know my style." Now, here's the youthful fix. Quality natural fabrics. Silk that drapes and catches the light beautifully. Cotton that looks crisp and fresh. Linen that breathes and feels effortless. Wool and cashmere that add warmth without bulk. These fabrics don't just look better, they move with your body, they photograph beautifully, and they elevate even the simplest outfit. Here's my favorite formula. A silk blouse paired with wool trousers. A cotton button-down under a linen blazer. A cashmere sweater with perfectly fitted denim. It's proof that luxury isn't about spending more, it's about choosing well. When you wear fabrics that flatter your skin, move with your body, and last for years, you radiate sophistication without saying a word. Mistake 6. Avoiding all patterns and prints. Here's a mistake that instantly drains life from your wardrobe. Completely avoiding prints. So many women over 40 think patterns are too young, too busy, or too risky, so they stick to plain solids. The result? Outfits that look flat, safe, and forgettable. But here's the truth. The right print adds energy, personality, and visual interest into your outfit. It draws attention to your best features and makes you look more vibrant. The trick is scale and placement. Bold, oversized florals or neon patterns. They can overwhelm a petite frame or feel costume-like, but small to medium prints in classic colorways, like subtle stripes, delicate florals, or elegant polka dots, add sophistication. Here's the strategy. Use prints up top to draw the eye toward your face. A patterned blouse with solid trousers instantly lights you up. Keep prints balanced. Pair a floral skirt with a solid sweater. Mix patterns only if they vary in scale, like a tiny dot with a wider stripe. Choose timeless colors. Navy and white stripes, muted florals, or tone-on-tone patterns always look chic. The key is confidence. When the print feels authentically you, it stops looking too young and starts looking intentional and stylish. Mistake 7. Dressing for the woman you think you should be. This last mistake is bigger than clothes. It's all about mindset. Too many women over 40 ask themselves, is this too young for me? Or, what's appropriate for my age? And that's exactly what makes them look older. When you dress for the woman you think you should be, you erase the woman you actually are, vibrant, confident, and full of life. Here's the shift. Stop asking if something is too young and start asking, does this make me feel confident? Replace, I'm too old for that, with, does this reflect my personality? Your best style will always come from pieces that make you stand taller, smile wider, and feel more like yourself. That's what creates true elegance. Not rules, not numbers, not what society expects. And here's the truth: some of the most stylish women in Paris, Milan, and New York don't dress for their age. They dress for their joy, their confidence, and their authentic selves. Closing. So there you have it: 7 style mistakes that might be aging you, and the simple fixes that will bring back vibrancy, confidence, and elegance. Remember, style isn't about looking younger, it's about looking like the best version of you at every age. Now I want to hear from you. What's one style rule you're ready to break starting today? Drop it in the comments and let's inspire each other.